welcome back to a new video. How you all doing? Hope you're well. So today we're actually feeling a bit better, and yesterday we did actually come out and do some rust killing on the floor, which you can see all the black marks. But today's job is to actually paint, so that's a fun job. We still have a couple of bits to do, like we didn't rust kill the doors yesterday, so Liam's going to be doing that while I start on the paint. I'm not sure if we're going to be painting everywhere, because we've got this white Hammerite paint, but it's only 750ml, so it's not that much. So hopefully we can get it all done in this one can. But I think any bits that look a bit tatty, I'm going to do. Like some of these side ones, these walls here, they're pretty fine, so I don't think they really need doing. But some of these like beams, like here, they look a bit tatty, so I'll probably just get them done. Not sure what we're doing with them at the minute. We might end up carpeting them at some point, but at the minute they're just going to be painted. Just because it's going to be underneath anyway. So yeah, that's the job for today, so let's get going. Right, so safety first. Like last time on our last build we weren't that good with our safety, so this time we've actually made sure we've got goggles and masks for the whole build, so we should be protecting ourselves.
Yeah, it's horrible though. I don't like wearing masks and stuff at all.
No.
I suppose I'm a bit more used to them now, but yeah, so let's crack on anyway before it gets raining anymore.
Yes, let's go.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have.
Right, so it started raining now, and we've had to evacuate the van. We managed to actually get like one coat on the walls, the floor and ceiling and stuff. We hadn't done it all, we weren't planning on doing it all, we've just done basically anywhere that we touched up with the rust converter. So we've just gone around all that. I'll flip the camera around now and try and show you the best I can, but I can't really move around because there's wet paint everywhere, and the light's a bit terrible because I had to shut all the doors. But yeah, I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you what Tabitha managed to get done, because obviously I was trying to sort out the doors. Alright, so if you can see, I'm kind of stood in a little spot, but managed to get a lot done. You can see all the white bits where they've been painted and stuff, all on the sides, a bit on the roof, on that side as well. But Tabitha did a great job. And now I'm going to go inside and speak to you inside, just because it's a lot easier than being cramped in a corner in an unfinished van. Right, so back inside now. Really happy with what we managed to get done today on the van again. It needs another coat, but obviously as it started raining, there's a little bit of water got on it as well, so we kind of need to see how that dries.
Yeah, and I've been working really hard today because I thought
blister. You can't even see because it's focusing on her face.
Is it? No.
Yeah.
Well, there's a massive blister there.
Massive.
Yeah.
It's that big the camera can't focus on it.
Yeah, but it means I've been working hard today.
Yeah, it does.
Well, you were there cleaning, I was there painting.
Yeah, I had a rubbish job today.
But we have an announcement for a sticker, and I just want to say thanks to Karen for purchasing a sticker. We'll send that out for you tomorrow. Hopefully you get it in the next few days, or you probably actually got it by the time you see this video, because we are a couple of days behind. Yeah. But yeah, thanks for that. And
good news for the electrical fault, at least for the light that keeps coming on the dash, we found the side lights out, and it wasn't out before, so it must have just been going out, and obviously that was already picking it up before it actually went. But now it's fully gone, so we took the bulb out, and tomorrow we're going to get a replacement bulb. Hopefully that sorts it out. The battery still hasn't drained anymore though, so I'm not sure what's this electrical fault, like the draining battery is about. Not too sure. Since we bought the van and it went flat on the way back, it hasn't done it since then.
Yeah, we have
so
no
I'm
idea.
Not too sure, no.
It's a bit confusing because the light's on now, but we checked all the fuses and nothing seems to be drawing power.
No, I can't seem to find anywhere it draws power. The sliding door locking mechanism doesn't work unless you use a key. So I've tried that, but it's getting power and stuff to it. It just seems like the actual box is broken or something, so I need to look into that. But yeah, I'm still no further on the electrical fault. Yeah, well, I suppose I am, because I found obviously the lights out, but the power draining, I just can't seem to find any more power drains.
Yeah, it's a bit weird because it only drained the first day we bought it.
Yeah.
Brought it home, charged the battery up, and since then it's not actually died.
Yeah,
it's been sitting there for about 5 days, just not being used. Yeah. And it started up today, so yeah, we don't know if it's maybe a dodgy battery.
Yeah, we just kind of need to keep taking it out, I think, and then just kind of see what happens with the battery. And obviously now we have the jump pack. Obviously we can use that if need be. But yeah, so glad what got done today. Sorted a little bit out on the electrics as well, but it's literally late. It's about 11:30 or something like that. We've just been playing Rocky for ages because
We've been testing him with like his balls and stuff, tennis balls.
Yeah, he loves
yeah,
balls.
proper loves them. So there was like in a wrapper and stuff, and he was trying to get him out and just trying to do little brain exercise and stuff for him. But we are going to end the video here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.